Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial or a makeup look. Many of you had asked me to do more makeup tutorials on my channel. So here I am with a tutorial on this look which I have created right here. So I have used the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette for this look, and this is one of my favorite go-to looks if I'm going out for an evening summer special. Then I like to wear this kind of a look. So if you want to know how I got this look and which are the products I have used, then please continue watching this video. First I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lucent Magique primer and prime the face. This is a hydrating and glowy primer. Next I'm going to take my foundation, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm using the shade Caramel. This is a semi-matte sort of foundation and I love to apply it over a glowy primer. As you can see, the foundation matches me really well. I'm not applying too much, just a little bit of foundation to smooth out the face. Next I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and I'll use this to conceal and highlight underneath the eyes. I will also use this to conceal around my mouth, taking the damp beauty blender again to blend out the concealer. Next I'm going to apply my eyeshadow primer, which is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion in the shade Eden. Next I'm taking this yellow banana powder from the NYX Contour Kit and I will use this to set underneath my eyes. Now let's move on to the eyes, and for eyes I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So first of all I'm taking this shade right here and I'll apply this as my transition shade. Next I will take this shade right here called Blazing, which is an orangey color, and apply it into my crease and slightly over my crease. Next I will take this shade Saffron and apply towards the outer corners. I'm also dragging it a little bit outside in a point. Intensifying the shadow here. As you can see, I'm dragging it a little bit outside and then blending it in, dragging it outside, blending it in. Next I'm taking this brown shade and I'm using this to deepen up the outer lid a little bit more. Next is the fun part, the shimmer. So I'm using this shimmer right here, this purpley shimmer shade, and I'll apply it over my eyelid. And on top, to intensify the shimmer a bit more, I'm going to use this duochrome shade as well. And I'll be using my fingers once I have patted it with my fingers, I'll just gently blend it with a brush. Just deepening up the outer V again. Taking a little bit of the blazing shade and just diffusing the look. Blazing is the orangey shade which we applied at first. Next, I'm taking this shade right here to highlight underneath my brow bone. Next, I'm taking this purple shade in my lower lash line. Next, I'll take the brown shade in my lower lash line again, but towards the outer corners. Using this elegant ultimate eyeliner pen called Perpetual Purple for my lower waterline. And for upper waterline, I'm using the Color Bar Mascara Kajal. Next, using this Maybelline gel liner for my wing eyeliner. Next, I am going to apply mascara using my Essence Lash Presence Mascara. This mascara is an amazing mascara. The older it gets, the better it gets. I'm also using my Elegant Slim Shady Brow Pencil for my eyebrows. The eye area is done. Now we'll move on to the face. So I'm using the NYX Contour Palette again to slightly contour my face. So I'll be using this shade right here to slightly contour my face. Next, I'll slightly bronze my face as well, and I'll use my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Next comes blush, and for blush, I'm using my NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. And for highlight, I'm going to use my Master Chrome Highlight by Maybelline, and this is the shade Molten Gold. I will also highlight the inner corners again with this shade right here. Next, I have two lip options for you. This is the Ofra shade Santa Ana, and this is ABH Rosewood, and this is how the two lip shades look with this makeup look. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, then I really hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be doing many more makeup tutorials definitely. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.